Welcome to Dress Up Terrace channel. I'm going to do another DIY Bath & Body Work hand sanitizer pocketback holder. The supplies that I will be using for this craft are the Bath & Body Works holder. It is a soft black rubber, which it only costs $1. Next is beautiful rhinestone, which I bought from Amazon. Also, I will be using these pretty flowers from Joann Craft Store. I will be using 4 of these flowers for this project. Now, gluing the rhinestone to the pocketback holder, I have tried many different kinds of glue, and I found a solution for this to stick. Since this is a soft rubber pocketback holder, this pocketback holder is a different material compared to other pocketback holder. To start with, the Gorilla Glue to spread all over the glue. And grab a toothpick to spread the glue around the front part of the pocketback holder. And then let the glue sit for an hour or 45 minutes. Whoa, wrong angle! As you can see that I am letting it hang on the coat rack. After all that waiting, we can get the pocketback holder. As you can see, the glue expanded and it got all bubbly. So I'll grab another toothpick to get rid of the glue, but not all of it. Once you are done getting rid of the glue, next part is to apply E6000 glue, just like Amber Show uses the E6000 glue to apply blingy rhinestones on her project. Moving on by taking out the rhinestone and grab a few of them and lay them flat on the ground so it will be easier to pick them up and glue them. So I did one side and I also applied 2 flowers. Look how pretty it looked. This style reminds me of Amber Shoal. I really hope she does watch my video. Maybe one day. Anyways, I did glue some smaller rhinestones when there is a gap. These rhinestone is for nails, but for now I'm using it for this project. I got these at the Swami, or you could get these at Amazon, which I will link it below. It is easier to work on smaller sections. I'm going to show you how to spread the glue. Using a toothpick will really help spread the E6000 glue. Also, the toothpick is a affordable substitution to pick up the rhinestone. Remember to put on glue at the tip of the toothpick so it will be easier to pick up the rhinestone. This is how far I got. Even though it does take a while, I do have a small section left to do. Overall, it looks super elegant and sparkly. I don't get why the camera's not focusing. Here it is, the finished result. I apologize for the bad angle, but oh my god, this is one of my favorite. Look how it sparkles. I'm going to take this outside in daylight to see how it looks. I put the stress relief hand sanitizer, and this is one of my fave scents. I don't get why my camera is not focusing. This looks beautiful, and it looks much more beautiful in person. I didn't put rhinestone in the back because it does take a long time to apply all that rhinestone. This project is perfect to create with your friends, family, or give it as a gift for a baby shower, bridal shower, bachelorette, birthday, and so on. FYI, I do recommend to use the Elmer's rubbing glue for this DIY than the glue that I have used for this video. After all, I love how this turned out. Also, I appreciate you all watching this video and have a sparkly, beautiful day.